In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendesk to Jira. So in order to do it, what we can do first is we need to head over to our Jira, and then from in there, you can go to that by going to atlassian.com. You can put right here your work email, or you can also continue using your Google or Microsoft. To make things easier, I'll just choose in here to sign up using our Gmail. Now let's head over to our actual account right here, and then proceed to actually log in to your Atlassian account using that. Input right here your site details and click on continue. From in there, just continue the setup of your Jira right here. And once you have done that, you can head over and choose right here what you want to actually do. Now I have in here my Jira, so the next thing you need to do is to actually set it up. In your Jira, you just need to head over to your account or your app status. Here is our Jira. So what we can do is we can click onto this right here, onto the four square. You can find in here our Jira. So what we can do is we can just head over to the apps that we have right here. Let's choose our Jira option right there. From in there, you can see this option called apps. So make sure to click on this right here. So click on this explore more apps. And then from in there, just search in here for Zendesk. Click onto this search bar and search in here for Zendesk. After that, it should be able to show you this Zendesk support for Jira. Click onto this right here. Make sure to install this one because this particular application is created by Zendesk itself on Jira. So let's proceed to install it. Proceed to click onto this Get It Now option. After that, this will load. Just choose right here the site that you wish to install Zendesk. I have in here this site. Let's click on this review. After that, click onto this Get It Now. And then this will install this particular Zendesk into your Jira. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.